Hello everyone, welcome to yet another video which is about how to add music to TikTok. But before moving forward, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And now let's begin. Before going to TikTok, first make sure that you have saved the music that you have planned to upload. If it's a song from YouTube, you can screen record it or you can make a voiceover. Then open your TikTok account and then tap on the plus icon given at the bottom bar. Now select the upload option given at the bottom right corner and then select the video that you have saved. Now after doing this, you can upload this video with the music you have chosen. But in case of voiceover, simply select the voice option and then record your voice. Once it's done, tap on done and then tap on save. Your voiceover is done. Then tap on next. Now tap on everyone can view this post option and select only you. Now only you can view this post. Tap on post and it's done. Go to your profile now. Now tap on this lock icon and open this video that you have posted. Now this video that you have just posted privately contains the music or voiceover that you want to upload to TikTok. Now tap on this app disk given at right bottom corner of your screen and then tap on this use this sound option. And now you're all set to make the original video with the music you have uploaded. That's all. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.